This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork hamonado using an easy method. First, select about 2 pounds of pork shoulder or belly, cutting it into serving pieces. Next, prepare your marinade. Combine 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Don't forget to add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Let your pork marinate for at least 1 hour, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your marinated pork pieces into the pot. Sear the pork on all sides until each piece is beautifully browned and caramelized. This crucial step locks in the juices and develops a deep, savory crust that will make your hamonado truly irresistible. Take your time with this part. It's worth it. After browning, it's time to tenderize the pork. Pour the remaining marinade from the bowl into the pot, along with 1 cup of water. Bring the liquid to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 1 to 1.5 hours. The goal is for the pork to become incredibly fork tender, easily falling apart. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. For the grand finale, let's create that signature hamonado glaze. Remove the pork from the pot and set it aside. Increase the heat to medium and reduce the sauce until it thickens and becomes glossy, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Return the pork to the pot. During the last 10 minutes of cooking, add 1 cup of pineapple chunks and 1/2 cup of sliced red bell peppers for color and sweetness. Serve your hot, savory, and slightly sweet pork hamonado with plenty of steamed white rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.